Good morning, Dion.
How goes it? How goes it? Can you all hear me?
Morning. Yes, we hear you. Good morning.
Okay.
Yes, we hear you. Good morning.
Recording in progress. 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 Recording in progress.
All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. That should be that. Okay. What else? Let me see if this is in here. I think I had it. I'm not sure. Hmm. So remember where it is? We were testing this live stream on the site, on the new site. And I was trying to see, I think it's live right now, but it's not live on the site. It's live on the restream, I think. We're gonna get ready to get started in a second. I'm gonna try to, I told you I'll be testing this week for the live stream joint. For Trade Club, they're so close. We're right there, y'all. We're right there. We are right there. Okay. All right, so we're live on YouTube. Let's go to the YouTube page for Trade Like the Pros, and let's see if the stream is on there. Because we're also multicasting. So right now, nope, I think the live is hidden. Okay. All right, we're still a couple of steps away, everybody. Let me see. Real swiftly. Let's go. Where's the Zoom? And let's go here. So this is what should be live on the YouTube and the website once we get the rest of that figured out. This is what it looks like. Well, obviously y'all won't see this, but it'll be streamed. The first 15 to 30 minutes of the show will be streamed live everywhere for free. And then once we start trading and get to the mix, it's only for Trade Club people. Can y'all see this? Yeah, y'all can see it. Okay. We almost there. We almost there. Okay, let's go ahead and hop into our day. I'm pretty excited about that. What y'all think? Y'all like how it look? Yes, no, maybe so.
Yes, that's really nice.
Thanks. Okay, let's hop into our routine. Oh, you know what? Okay, we'll have to find that flow. It's coming together. We'll find the flow. All of this we should have the kinks ironed out by like Monday. Okay. All right. We should have the kinks ironed out by like
Hey,
Monday.
Leon,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, what are you displaying? I apologize. I missed that part.
So Trade Club was relaunched last week as its own. Well, the sales for Trade Club, which is what. Hold on. So if you've been around me for years, you know that I used to have a live trading show every day for the community. And 2 years ago or ish, yeah, it was called Trade Club. And you had to sign up for the course and the community and all of that, and you got Trade Club. And I would trade live with y'all every day from 9 to 11. And that is what y'all would get. You would trade live with me, we'd be trading futures. Then earlier this year, we had launched Money Matrix, which was closer to a live news and live trading show. And then it just shut all that down. And then in May, I launched Trade Like the Pros. And I only been doing, let's call it once a week of live trading for Trade Club, right? And so I know that the course, my goal for this, so let me backtrack. I love each and every one of y'all. I'm super grateful. I'm very appreciative. But like I don't need to do this. So I try to find ways that is conducive for my time and my energy and my efforts where the business is still profitable and I can still help people and kind of help people where they are in their journey. Now, everybody can't afford a $1,000 to a $5,000 course. Totally understand. What they choose to spend their money on is personal, right? So we're not even gonna go down that rabbit hole. But what I decided to do was relaunch a version of Trade Club, which is like the old Trade Club where I'm just in there trading. I'm not really doing no teaching. I'm just in there trading my normal trading stuff. And I wanted it to be a hybrid of Money Matrix, which covers financial news, covers the markets, give people real insights, keep it a buck, et cetera, et cetera. So Tiffany, I know Tiffany been with me 4-5 years. What you're looking at, Tiffany, on the screen is a hybrid of Trade Club and Money Matrix. So you'll be watching me, but it's also a live news network. So 9 to 11, a couple times a week, you'll see me live trading in here. You'll see the algos cooking here. You got the live ticker here. You got the economic calendar here. And then you got news articles, right? But when you go to tradeclub.com, you'll also be able to, where's that string? You'll also be able to you'll also be able to click on markets. We'll have all of our live news articles. There's a news bot built into it that sends you email and push notifications to your phone of all the financial news. And then you'll be able to click on trade the courses and see the Trade Like the Pros courses, right? So that's what you're seeing on screen, Tiffany. So technically, today I wanted to do the first live stream test of Trade Club in the way that I wanted to do it, but we're still a little bit away. So instead of just testing it and forcing it and pushing it and breaking something, we'll just go into just another regular trading session day. So around Monday-ish, we should have the kinks out. So this is the $100 a month subscription, Trade Club. So you get Trade Club, which is this live streaming twice a week. You get the mini course that I just launched yesterday. You get the trade journal, and you get the news bot. You get all four of those for just $100 a month, right? And so that's what I was saying. Even if people can't afford the $3,000 course, the $5,000 course, this now eliminates the excuse of I can't afford to learn, right? So it's also Black Friday, so you can gift it to people. It comes with the course, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, right? So because over time, I think we'll grow to a good amount of subscribers and viewers. Over time, it can make economic sense for me to do this a couple times a week, while also still taking care of the Trade Like the Pros people once a week, while also still taking care of the rest of my businesses. Does that make sense?
It makes absolute sense, and I love this concept. Is it possible to drop the link in the chat?
Yeah. So the link is just tradeclub.com. If you want to sign up for it or buy it as a gift for somebody, you just go to Trade Like the Pros. Here, so let me
Okay.
stop sharing it. You go to Trade Like, here, I'll share this.
I'm sorry, I'm so behind. I apologize to everyone else.
It's all good. Because I know a lot of people got the same question. Because this session is technically just a free open session for everybody in the Discord. So I know most people have the same question. So if you just go to tradelikethepros.com, our Black Friday sale is live, right? So everything on the site is 50% off. So you got the trade journal, which is $60, you can get it for $30. Trade Club, which is $200, is 50% off for $100. So if you want to sign up for Trade Club, this is where you would sign up for that. If you want to buy it for somebody, this is where they would sign up. So this is where you get the live trading, which is what you just seen on the screen. I'll be doing that at least twice a week. You're going to get the real-time 24/7 news, financial news and top headlines bot that it will send news directly to your email and to your phone and to your computer in real time. And then there's a separate Discord specifically for Trade Club. Okay, so that's Trade Club. Then you have our signature program, Trade Like the Pros. Normally $5K, Black Friday sale, one payment of $2,500 or three payments of $1,000. And then you got the Algo bundle, normally $500 a month, 50% off is $250 a month, $500 a month times 12 is $6,000 a year, 50% off, $3,000 you can pay for the whole year up front. And then Inner Circle. So everybody that's in Trade Like the Pros who've been wanting to join Inner Circle, asking about Inner Circle is normally $10K. You can get in for one payment of $5K or three payments of $2K with the 50% off deal. Does that make sense to everybody? And this is live right now. So you can go to tradelikethepros.com right now. And when you click what you want, you put in the promo code Black Friday and you get 50% off of all of the offerings. Does that make sense, everybody?
It does. Deanna, I have a follow-on question to the Trade Club. is the site intuitive if I wanted to sign someone else up in terms of their particular account or access? Is there anything that I need to do separately, like in their name or send you anything?
Yeah, I would sign up. I would sign up with their first name and their email address, and then maybe you could just pay it on your card. That way, once the subscription is live, they get the access to their email. Does that make sense?
It makes sense.
Because as soon as you sign up, they get the 1 hour mini course,
Mm-hmm.
and they also start getting the news alerts. And then obviously you get the Discord, and then you'll start getting the notifications of when I'm going to be going live.
Okay. And
Make
then,
sense?
yeah, thank you for breaking this down. Can you share what is it the algo bundle includes?
Yeah, so for the algo bundle, it's all 7 or 8 algos that you learn the strategies in the Trade Like the Pros course. So the Trade Like the Pros course comes with Trojan, which is the funding hack algo. It comes with Maverick, and it comes with NBC. So those are the 3 algos that it comes with in the course. However, the other strategies that you learn in the course, you can do it manually and semi-automatically, learning with the strategy and the ATM, but none of those come fully automatic. So all of the strategies that you learn in the course that you want fully automatic come in the algo bundle. Does that make sense?
It does. And then my last question is regarding the inner circle. You mentioned it was a one-time payment. Is it like an annual type of
Well,
program?
it's just one. So it's a 6-month program.
6
So
months?
when you
Okay.
join, I build you a one-on-one custom playbook for your finances and your trading. So it's not a trading program. It's a custom financial management program. It includes trading, it includes a new algo, but it's more specifically, you have a 1 hour onboarding session with me, and we handpick and go through your finances together, you and me, one-on-one. And then you have the course, and then you have the algos, and then once a month for 6 months, you have a accountability and mentoring personal call with me every month to make sure that you're on track with the custom playbook that I put together for you. So it's a one-time payment. It's a 6-month personal coaching and mentoring program. It's typically $10K, or it's one-time payment of $5K, or 3 payments of $2K. Does that make sense?
It does. Thank you. I believe that may answer the journal, if that's digital. I think you mentioned the journal.
The journal is digital. You can buy the journal by itself, or if you buy Trade Club, it comes with the journal, or if you buy Inner Circle, it comes with the journal.
Okay.
Inner Circle has a slightly different journal. Theirs is a little bit more advanced because it's a part of your custom playbook. But the trade journal can take care of everybody from never traded through Trade Like the Pros. Does that make sense?
So does the Inner Circle journal capture everything that's listed in the Trade Like the Pro journal or the Trade Club journal?
Yeah, it captures all of that plus the more advanced stuff that you get in Inner Circle.
Okay, thank you. I think I understand everything. I appreciate it.
Yeah, my pleasure. So this is not a Black Friday webinar, by the way. We are about to get into trading, but she has some valid questions. So, and like I said, Tiffany been with me for 5 years in every program, and she makes a crap ton of money from trading. So yeah. Okay, Trade Like the Pros. Black Friday sale live. If you want it, cool. If you don't, good luck. May the math be with you. Okay. All right, let's go into our routine. Okay. Trade Like the Pros. Bang, bang. Our disclaimer. All right, our trader's creed. I am a consistent winner. I objectively identify my edges. I predefine my risk on every trade. I completely accept the risk or I'm willing to scale back. I act on my edges without reservations or hesitation. I continually monitor my susceptibility to making errors. I pay myself as the market makes money available to me. I never violate these principles of success. Correct? These questions I want you to ask yourself every day to keep you accountable and keep track of where you are in your trading and investing and financial journey. Sometimes I'll open the floor up. We're a little bit behind schedule, so I'm just gonna hop right into it. Looking back on your trading journey so far, what is the one thing you feel proud of? And what's one area you would like to improve? Write the question down, answer it for yourself. These are the questions that will enable you to keep it a buck with yourself, slow the game down, and acknowledge where you are versus where you want to be. Defining success. What does success as a trader look like for you? Is it financial freedom? Is it consistent profits? Or is it something else? Because a lot of people say, oh, I want to be successful. And then you ask them, what does success mean to them? Or what is that to them? And they can't explain it to you. Well, how would you ever know if you reached it if you don't know what it is? Right? I want to be a 6-figure trader. I want to be a 7-figure trader. Okay, cool. Well, what amount of 7-figure trader do you want to be? You want to be $1 million trader? You want to be a $9 million trader? And if you do, how much do you need to make a day to reach that amount? Right? Things that you need to know the answer to. The more defined and clear your goals are, the closer you are to them. Identifying strengths and weaknesses. What's one strength you've developed in your trading? And what's one challenge you're committed to overcoming? A lot of you all are relatively new to the markets. A lot of you all are relatively new to manual versus automated trading, right? There are a lot of things that you may be trying to focus on or overcome or accomplish. The more you write them out and define them, acknowledgement is the first step. Purpose and motivation. Why do you trade? You just trading because it seems cool. I bought a bunch of screens and it looks cool. I want my screen to look like Dion's, right? Or do you know what keeps you motivated and improving, right? Vision for growth. If you could achieve one breakthrough in your trading over the next 6 months, what would it be? And also notice that these things are personal. Personal. And if you can't answer the questions, there's no amount of coaching, mentoring, live sessions, keeping the bucks. It ain't gonna matter. These are personal questions. Commitment to the process. What steps are you ready to take starting today to move closer to the trader you want to become? Today. Okay? All right. Now, one more thing, actually. Let's check Forex Factory. Let's check Forex Factory. Let's make sure we are on the correct date. 10 a.m., red and orange folder. 10:30, orange folder. Okay, we'll be gone by natural gas. All right. Okay, so because this is an open session, I'm going to be trading multiple strategies. I'm going to be looking primarily at the trade club strategies that I have been talking to you all about that are going to be covered in Trade Club. And because Trade Club comes with a mini course showing you and teaching you exactly what I'm going to be covering, in Trade Club, we're going to be trading stocks, bonds, options, futures, Forex, and crypto. Let me say that again. In Trade Club, excuse me. In Trade Club, we're going to be trading stocks, bonds, options, futures, Forex, and crypto. Okay, and we're gonna be doing all of this with one strategy. With one mathematical, data-driven strategy. Now, excuse me, if you are in Trade Like the Pros, you got even more edges because you know those strategies as well. And you have those algos as well. If you are in Inner Circle, you have even more edges because you know those strategies and you have those algos as well. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful thing. One of the reasons that I opened up this trade club approach to trade multiple things is because it's a low ticket item, there's going to be a lot of people coming in from different parts of their financial journey and interested in different asset classes. A lot of people don't even know the futures market exists. They only know about stocks, maybe options, maybe Forex, right? But being able to see the power of what we are going to be doing and how we're going to be doing it is going to be super cool because I'm going to be trading these things live. Some of them have algos. Actually, you know what? I need to put this new algo in here. Give me a few seconds. We still got 5 minutes before the market open. I am going to, where's the joint? I gotta put this new VREV algo in here. Jason has updated it. Where is mine? Let me get this. So once we really get cranking, all of it will be fully automatic. You know, so you'll see me put in some manual trades right now. Just as we getting going. But you'll also see in real time, you'll see the new stock automated trading algo come out right in front of you. You'll see our new options trading algo. So this is the first time I will ever show to the public a fully automated stock trading algo and a fully automated options trading algo. So you all know in the past, I've had signals for stocks, bonds, options, futures, forex, and crypto, but TradingView doesn't allow autonomous trading. So you would have to get the signal and then you would still have to go execute on your own. Over the next few weeks, you all will be seeing fully automated options and stocks algos. It's going to be super powerful and blow your little minds. Okay. Now let's see if this one is ready to do what I want it to do. Okay. Don't think it's ready, Jason. Nope, I don't think it's ready, Jason. Let's try it one more time. Oh, okay. Why is it not working on gold? All right, we'll have to come back to that. Okay, so here's BREV. Bitcoin is ready to sell. So Bitcoin is crypto. It's open 24 hours. It hit the second standard deviation of our VREV strategy. So we could come in here and predefine our stop loss to take profit. Let's risk 1%. to make 2%, always predefining our risk. And let's go ahead and sell Bitcoin. And we can see we're selling Bitcoin. This is our first trade of the day. Selling Bitcoin based off of the volume weighted average price, right? And the 2 standard deviations. So we sold Bitcoin. We're now up $10. I'm not sure why it's not working in gold yet. Maybe because it's in a strategy, but this bond trade, we put this bond trade in yesterday, by the way. That's the same one from yesterday. So it's still in there. And now I'm just gonna add our strategy in here. And then what's gonna happen is soon, I still think bonds just shot up at the opening bell. We're now up $48 on our bond trade. We're up $90 on our Bitcoin trade. Okay, the SPY, let's put BREV on here. Very soon, what we'll have in the next, let's call it 7 days, is we will have, there's something wrong with it though. We will have this automated algo also sending alerts. And it will show us our trade alerts, and it'll tell us, hey, it's time to sell Bitcoin. It's time to sell the SPY. So what you'll notice, this SPY is a stock. It's the S&P 500 ETF. That's a stock. When a signal comes in with this, we could take this same signal and we could trade stock. Now, if you want to day trade stock, you need a minimum of $25,000 in your account. That same signal, we can go and we can trade options. So we can take that same signal. We can go into Robinhood, Webull, Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab, wherever you trade your options. And then we can put in an options trade based off of that same signal. And so this is how you're going to be able to see and watch us trade all of these things. So for an example, the SPY is now, I was just about to say we can buy this. Shut up already. I was literally just about to say that. So we missed that signal. We're up $277 in our Bitcoin trade already. It's been 2 minutes. Okay? So this is what we're going to be doing. So we missed that buy trade for the SPY. Okay? But this is stocks, and we can take that as the option. Then this iShares is the 7 to 10 year Treasury bond ETF. So this is a bond trade based off of stock. Now we can trade this in stock. Okay. We could also trade this as the future. So I could change this over here to the ZN, which is the 10-year Treasury note futures. And I could take this same exact strategy and I could trade the futures. Okay? There is no signal. We're looking at gold. I can look at gold as a gold stock trade, as a gold option trade. I could also type in GC and trade it as gold futures. Put the strategy on there and trade it as gold futures. There is no signal, right? Then let's say I want to trade Forex. I could trade FXE, which is the stock ETF for Euro USD. I can trade the stock on that. I can trade the option on that. If I want to trade the future of the Euro, I could put in 6E and I could trade the Euro futures. Same strategy. I can trade the Euro futures. If I want to trade Forex straight up, then I could change this from the 6E, from the Forex futures, I could trade it, the Euro USD. Then I could trade the Forex exposure. Same strategy. So we're literally going to be doing this all session during Trade Club. One strategy. Super powerful. All math, all data driven. Not no chart patterns. Now look, if we would have took that SPY trade right there, look at that. Got in at 600, right? I can take that SPY. I can go look at the futures, which is the SP 500 mini futures, right? No signal on the futures yet. And I can literally look at, this is why, because some of you all are relatively new to me trading live and I trade different strategies, et cetera, et cetera. And you say, man, why did Dion got all those screens? This is why professionals have all these screens, because they're looking at these different markets and we're looking at where the money is flowing and where does my strategy align for me to capture some profits in this market, in that market, in this market. And instead of going back and forth like you see me doing like that, like I went back and forth to different things. Instead of doing that, I can have futures over here, I can have stocks over here, I can have Forex over here, and I can have, the same stock setup, but we're looking for options. That's why you may be looking at people that might have multiple screens. They're essentially looking at their same strategy, but we're looking at it across different asset classes so that we can see which one has the highest probability of success. Right? And that's what we're doing. Right now we're in 2 trades. We are in the Bitcoin trade. We got up about $200. Okay? And now it turned around. We're only risking 1%. So we've already predefined our risk. There's nothing else I need to do in that trade. We're in the trade, the stop loss is set, and the take profit is set. I win, cool. I lose, cool. Either way, I know that this is a mathematical, data-driven, high probability trade. I already went profitable once. Now I'm profitable again, right? And what people have to understand is you have to separate the accuracy of the signal direction versus your win percentage. Because right now, if you don't know anything about what I'm talking about, you could just be looking at random rectangles on the screen and not know why in the hell you should get in a trade or get out of a trade. You're literally just guessing. It's like you go into the casino, shaking up the dice, and hoping you pass. Versus using math to find out, the way this market is going, based off of the data, this particular area has a high probability for the market to go in this direction. And then what you are saying is, based off of that data and based off of this math, I'm willing to bet. I'm willing to put my money where my beliefs, or put my money where my thoughts, or put my money where my mouth is. And then I'm willing to risk X amount of dollars to see if I'm right. Now, why is that important to know, understand, and break that concept down in a relatable manner? Because when you go to the casino, because I know most of y'all go to the casino. It's okay. I ain't gonna tell Jesus. It's all good. When you go to the casino, when you sit down at the slots, you are starting at a negative 33% chance. This is not my opinion. You can Google everything I'm telling you. It's a Snapple fact. Okay? When you sit at the casino, the house has a 33% advantage. Period. 33% advantage. Okay? When you go to the crap table, if the crap dice are not loaded, then you could potentially start with a 50-50 chance. Roll the dice, you got a 50-50 chance. Okay? Blackjack. Blackjack is the only game in the house that the player can get an edge. But you have to know how to count cards, and you have to know how to play foundational blackjack. You need to know all of the the foundational rules, when to hit, when not to hit. You need to know how to do that perfectly, and then you need to know how to count cards. You can get a 0.6% edge. Okay, I played a lot of blackjack in my day, and I know how to count cards. Okay? And I've made a lot of money playing blackjack and playing poker in Vegas. Okay? but I studied and read books and learned the math before I went out there. Okay? And then you have Baccarat. Baccarat is a game in the house where you got a 50-50 chance, but you can be on the side of the house. So craps, you can get a 50-50 chance, but it's all on you. Baccarat, you can play as the dealer and put yourself in a position as the house and give yourself a 50-50 chance. Now, why am I bringing gambling and betting up? Because I want you to start thinking in odds, thinking in probabilities, thinking in bets. Because every single decision you make has a probability. Well, first of all, every decision that you make is going to affect you. The probability of affecting you positive or negative increases based off what it is. So for an example, you got to eat, right? Everything that you eat has a direct impact on your body. And I'm just freestyling talking right now because we have no signals. If we don't have no signal, we not trading. SPY is close to the VWAP. The 10-year bonds are close to the VWAP. We already in the Bitcoin trade and the euro is, coming down. So we don't really have a trade. That's why I'm freestyling. So why am I talking about the casino? Why am I talking about gambling? Why am I talking about probabilities and percentages? Because everything in life, you want to put yourself in a high probability position to win. If I eat the banana, that has a high probability to help me positively. If I eat the Twinkie, it got a high probability to impact me negatively. So whichever one I do more often, that's going to be the greater impact on my life. Why am I telling y'all that? Because one of my main focuses right now is losing weight. Because I'm overweight for myself in general, right? And so I'm very conscious of that now because I'm just sticking to the data. I got crushed at the gym today. I was mad. I didn't have a lot of energy to start with, but I needed to be there, right? And this is like 2.5 weeks in. And I'm also in the middle of a mango fast. So really all I'm eating is mangoes and water. And it's actually pretty cool. I've never done it, but you eat 5 things of fresh mangoes a day, 2 mangoes. Eat 1 mango is 100 calories. So you eat 2 mangoes in the session and you can eat 10 mangoes and that'll be 1,000 calories, right? So you're getting your calorie efficiency and you're getting some nutrients, but then you're not putting on fat and all of this stuff, right? So I'm looking at probabilities of what's going to increase my chances of me meeting my weight goal. And then I just got to stick with it and I got to execute. I could lie and I could make all of these excuses, or I could actually get the shit done and do it. Being fat and overweight is uncomfortable. Going to the gym is uncomfortable. You choose your uncomfort, right? Being broke is uncomfortable. Not being able to pay for shit is uncomfortable. Your initial learning curve of learning how to trade, learning how to invest may be uncomfortable. But once you get over the hump and you start sticking to the probabilities and you become a consistently profitable trader, you overcome that, you pass it, you start making some bread, right? Choose your uncomfort. You want to be uncomfortable, broke, and fat? Or you want to be uncomfortable because you're learning a new skill, you bet on yourself, and then you win, right? And these are the real conversations that we need to have with ourselves. You can lie to other people. You can even lie to yourself. But when you start believing the lie, that's the problem. Okay? So that's my little mini rant for right now. Let's look and see if we have any other trading opportunities. Now, also, again, as I mentioned, the ES is pushing past the VWAP. Okay? Go look at the SPY. All right? The SPY is getting close to a second standard deviation. So now we can get ready to potentially sell this. Make sure we predefine our risk, always first, important. If and when it hits $600.74, we're going to sell. Now, why is it important to know and understand about these stocks and day trading stocks specifically? One, because every stock only moves 1 penny at a time. So in order to really see the bread that you want from this, you gotta get multiple shares. And right now, the SPY is trading at $600 a share. Now, affordable is relative, but for some people, that may be affordable to just buy one share at a time and, hold it for your long-term investment. But trading, if you only sell one share or you buy one share, it's literally gonna move 1 penny at a time. So if you buy one share and it goes up 10 cents, then you just made 10 cents. I celebrate all wins, but that's what you're gonna get. If you buy 100 of them and it goes up 10 cents and you just made $10, right? Now, everybody can't afford that. But we could take that same strategy and then we can take that signal and then we can also go trade options. Options start at 1 penny. So when we get a signal on one of these stocks, let's just say it's the SPY, I'm gonna go and put in a live option trade right in front of you in real life with real money. And that's what we're gonna do. Now, I'm gonna do it in Robinhood. Y'all know I got a love-hate relationship with Robinhood. I like that it's user-friendly and it helps newbie traders get in the game. I'm still disturbed by the GameStop shit, because I had a trade, I should have made $1 million in that one trade, and they halted trading and blocked my sale. So I was up like 1,000 or 1,100% when I shorted it, and I would have made $1 million in that trade in about 15 minutes. No bullshit, like a real $1 million in the one trade, and they halted trading. So I don't really keep a lot of money in Robinhood personally. But today for this live trading session, because it's user friendly and a lot of people have it, I'm gonna go in and do it. So I'm going to take this trade here when it hits the second standard deviation on the SPY. Our Bitcoin trade just went profitable again. So we went up $200, we went down $200, and now it's trying to come out. Okay, so we're gonna sell the SPY. It just hit that, and then let's go to Robinhood. So I'm gonna go to Robinhood. And this is gonna be a day trade, but I'm gonna choose an expiration that's 7 days out. Okay? A minimum of 7 days out. Because with options, you're buying time to be right. So I'm going to trade SPY options. I'm gonna make sure that my expiration date is at least, 7 days. So 7 days from now, December 4th. I'm going to buy an at the money put, and it costs me $2.77 times 100. So the maximum I can lose right here is 284. I'm gonna get one contract that controls 100 shares. I don't have no money in there, so let me just transfer some money in there. So y'all see I'm doing this shit right in front of y'all in real life. Okay. Okay. Boom. We just did that. What happened? Come on now. Now look, when I was first about to get it, it was 284. Now it's 275. That means we will already be profitable, but they're not letting me in this trade. Let's see. We would already be up 8 cents. With options time 100, we would already be up $8 if they would have accepted that. Did they accept it? Okay, come on. It's in there now. Let's see if we can get in there. Options at the money, December 4th. If they don't let me in this time, then it is what it is. I'm not gonna chase the market. Right, boop, 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 boop. All right, did we get filled? Let's see. You get filled or what? The hell is going on here? Okay. I'm not sure if we got filled. I'm gonna keep this over here. We already up $6, $8 on our stock trade, which means I would probably be up $80 on my option trade already. Oh yeah, we got filled. Here we go. Look, we're already profitable. We're up 9% on our option. Look at that. In real life. We up $8. Same exact signal. High probability. I took the trade on stock. For one stock, it cost me $600. We got 10, that's $6,000. I needed $6,000 to get into that trade. If I wanted 100 of them, right? I don't have that in this scenario. I don't have that. I'm up $25. But I might have $273. That $273 gave me control of 100 shares. This is why knowledge is power. And look, now I'm up $9. But more importantly, forget the money or forget the dollar amount. Look at the percentages. I'm up 3% already on this trade. Okay? And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this over here on the screen right here and just watch it. Look, now we're up $20. Now, if I would have got in here, if they would have filled my option when we was up here, so now on our, look, we just hit, it came back to the VWAP. And now we can go ahead and exit this trade if we want, because our strategy tells us to exit the VWAP when it reverts back to the mean. So I can exit that now, right? And take my profit. Boom, I'm 1 for 1. Where's my chart? I'm 1 for 1 on my strategy. Right here, boom, I can close this out, take my $30. I just made $30, bang. Realized profit, $33 in 2 minutes. If I had 1,000 shares, I would be up $330. If I had 10,000 shares, I would be up $3,300. Same thing. And now let's look at our option. I would be up more money on my option if they would have filled me earlier. But they didn't. It's cool. Now I'm up 5%. If and when this gets up 20%, then I'm going to adjust. I should have put my stop loss in here. That's one thing I didn't do. Because options, you got to put the stop loss in after. Okay? But I'm up 5%. 2 minutes. Okay? Now, this has hit the VWAP. So technically I could go in here and exit this option trade if I want. Okay? I can say, hey, you know what? I'm gonna let it go down to the second standard deviation. Look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute is coming down too. The 5 minute did cross past the VWAP though. Let's look at the 15 minute. All of them pointing down. But they starting to hit the bottom of they hit the second standard deviation on the VWAP. The 1 hour. Excuse me. The 1 hour. Let's look at it. Look at our crypto trade. We have $1,100 in our crypto trade. We have $4,500 in our bond trade. Losing a little bit on gold, losing a little bit on Bitcoin. But still net overall, we still have $1,000 for the day. Market only been open 23 minutes, y'all. We have $1,000 net profit. Market only been open 23 minutes. Okay. Right now, everything is kind of still showing down for the SPY. So I can leave this option trade in. Now, remember, one beautiful thing about the option is I bought the expiration date for next week, next Friday. Okay, I got 9 days. Now, I wouldn't hold this for 9 days. The maximum I would hold this would be 48 hours, but that's a part of my strategy. But hey, now I'm up 6%. Now I'm up 7%. And this is just one contract. I could buy way more, obviously, but I'm showing you all the power in what we are doing and the power of what I show y'all. And this strategy that I'm walking y'all through, showing y'all, this is in the $100 mini course. My empathy and sympathy gets a little bit shorter when people come to me and talk about X, Y, and Z, and I got a $100 course for you. Like I posted this on Instagram today. You know, I'm super blessed and grateful to be in a position because I wasn't always in this position. But a lot of people ask me for money all the time. A lot of money all the time, right? And I give a lot of money away. I give a lot of money out. Honestly, truly, I don't really expect any of it back. You know what I'm saying? If they give it back, cool. If they don't, cool. It's within my budget and, you know, I take it a step at a time. But I've given a lot of scholarships and I've given a lot of free courses. 6 out of 100 people. I've counted it because I got all the data. I'm a data guy. 6 out of 100 people that I have given free scholarships and free courses to have actually finished the course. 6. Okay? 6. So when I create a mini course that's super powerful, and you come to ask me for some money from here on out, and you haven't taken the mini course at a very bare minimum, I ain't got nothing for you. Like there's literally nothing I can do to help you because I started from zero. This is not my background. I don't have a college degree and I've started and I made millions of dollars. So if I can do it, you can do it. And if you can't invest in yourself and bet on yourself, it's nothing I can do to help you. And more importantly, if you're an adult and you don't have $100 to bet on yourself, that's a bigger problem. And it's nothing I can do to help you. You see what I'm saying? Right now, if you invested in the mini course for $100, we already up $18. So that's 18% of your return on your investment back already. So now, if you make over $100 for the rest of your life, once you make the $100 from the course with whatever trade, the rest of your life, every penny that you make is 100% profit. If and when you scale up trade like the pros is $5,000. It's currently 50% off at $2,500. Once you make that $2,500, the rest of your life, all the profits are 100% profit. Right? So we have to look at it as it's a learning curve. Right? Anything learning something new, you're not going to get it overnight. I'm not necessarily saying it's going to be, once you get it, the information and the understanding of it is easy. The execution of it is between your mind. Okay? The battle really is between your mind. People ask me, hey, D, if I take your course, like, you know what I'm saying, am I going to learn? Yeah, you're going to learn. I'm going to teach you the real shit, the right shit, teach you how to get to the bag. Once you learn that, the battle is literally between your ears. The battle is between fear and greed. The battle is between laziness and work ethic. The battle is between keeping it a buck with yourself and doing what you got to do on your part and bullshitting yourself. Right? I'll open it up for some questions now. I think we did pretty good. We got a couple trades. Now, I missed this one because I was talking. But boom, this hit the bottom. We could have bought right there, and we would be profitable in this trade if I would have bought. Now, I'm going to keep this option trade in for a couple reasons. Number one, the SPY hit all-time highs yesterday. So typically, when they hit all-time highs like that, typically the data suggests that there is going to be a reversion. 1, so that's a data-driven decision. 2, the longer time frames are showing sell still. Okay, so like the 15-minute is still showing sell. The 1 hour is still in red, shit like that. 2, 3, I got time. About 9 days. About 9 days of time. And when in my option day trading strategy, if I buy a weekly option, I can hold it for up to 48 hours as a part of my risk management rule. So I'm open to holding this for up to 48 hours to see if it goes in my favor. Also, I'm never going to risk more than 50% of my premium. So I paid $200 and $89, I paid 280, I paid 276 to get in. I'm currently up 5%. So I paid 276 to get in. My stop loss is gonna be at 136. And I'm never gonna risk that whole 276. I'm only gonna risk 276. I'm at 136. Okay, I never risk my whole premium. So I'm gonna give that option some time. And then I'm gonna continue to look at, now let's look at the ES. I could look at some futures. And I'm just gonna be doing this back and forth all day. Now, I'm just doing this in front of y'all manually. Y'all know my algos do all this stuff, trade for me fully automatically. So in the next week or so, when I get my algos in here, I won't be doing this at all. Human Dion will just be watching this. But it's also good to see me doing it as a human. Y'all can know I really do this shit in real life, right? I can do this, right? I create the strategies behind the algos. The algos just do what I tell it to do automatically. But you see, I really do this. Okay, I created this strategy. I created the strategy behind the algo. Now, Jason coded all the algos. So I haven't coded one line of code, but it's all my strategies, all my stuff. And literally, y'all seeing me walk you all through this here in real life. Okay, the ES. If it comes back down to the second standard deviation, we're gonna enter into a buy trade. It's really that simple. Okay. I'm gonna open it up for some questions. You can type your questions in the chat box. I'm gonna start walking through the chat box, or you can hop up on the mic and ask a question. We got 59 minutes left. Okay, here we go. ES, buy side trade. Just hit that. Boom. 1%. Boom. 2. Boom. Buy. That's it. One contract is $12.50 a tick. Okay. I'm risking 1% to make 2%. If we win, cool. If we don't, cool. It is what it is. It hit that. We got a signal generated. It's telling us it's a high probability that the ES will revert back to its mean. If it happens, cool. If it don't, cool. Right? Meanwhile, the option is up 9%, 10%. You feel what I'm saying? So now I'm literally diversified within the same instrument. The future I'm in a buy, the option I'm in a sell. They're hedged against each other. I don't care which one wins. I'm non-biased now. Okay? All right. Here we go. Let me scroll through these joints. Omar said, just signed in. Not sure if you already answered, but I'm in the trade clean. What does the mini course? Omar, I need you to edit that question because you lost me. Okay, edit that question. I'll come back and answer it because I don't really understand what you're saying. Hey, look at that. We just went profitable in the futures trade. We're now up $50 in 45 seconds at one contract. I could have bought more. We just stick it to the math, y'all. That's all we doing. The strategy is 100% based off of math. Okay? 100% based off math. All right? And we just live in probabilities. Put ourselves in high probability trade, put the risk management on there, tip our cap. Okay? Rosa said that's how I feel as a beginner. I remember when she said that. I was talking about going to the casino. But yes, when you learn, you're not afraid of anything you know about. So when you learn, you start to remove that fear. Whit said $1 million trade. Yeah, I've had a couple of those. Very nice. Okay. Maurice Williams. Hey Dion, good to see you in Trade Club. Will you be using TradingView or Ninja? We're going to be using both in Trade Club. We're going to be using TradingView and Ninja Trader. And when you sign up for Trade Club, or if you just buy the mini course by itself, I teach you in the course how to set up your charts like you see on my screen, both for TradingView and Ninja Trader. Okay? SGP said, what's the expiration you chose? I chose next Friday, December 4th. And we're currently up 8% in that option trade. Okay? Now, if I bought 10 contracts and I'm up 8%, I would be up $230 right now, right? Right now I'm up $24. But again, I literally just showed y'all that the strategy sent the signal. I took the signal in the stock trade. We took $33 off the table in 2 minutes. And we in the option trade, we up $23 now. Same signal.
Hey Dion, I'm driving, so I really can't see. But how much did you deposit into that Robinhood to trade option?
That trade cost $276 for me to get in there. So that's what I put in there because I don't really rock with Robinhood too tough like that. So I try to keep as minimal amount of money in Robinhood as possible. But I wanted to show y'all and do that trade in front of you in real life. Make sense?
Okay, thank you. Yeah, very much. Thank you.
Yeah. And you mentioned that you have an algo soon that did what you just did manually to trade options. No, not manually, automatically. What you just saw me do was manual. Very soon, I won't be doing any of that. The algo will find the signal. It will generate the signal. It will find the option. It will enter the option. It will manage the option. And it will exit the option fully automatically. All my strategies get put into automatic algos. Dion with real money and my client money, Dion is not human trade. My pride and ego is on the side. Like I don't give a fuck about being right. I want to be profitable. A lot of y'all are dealing with your emotions and you're dealing with your pride and your ego. I want to win. I want to make money. So if I'm the bottleneck, guess what has to get moved out of the way? Me. So I was a very good, profitable human trader when I realized that the algos perform better than me. At a very bare minimum, let's just say me and the algos were equal, which we're not. But let's just say me and the algos were equal. The algos don't get tired. The algos don't have relationship problems and arguing. The algos don't have kids that come in and out of rooms and distract you. The algo doesn't have social media and it's scrolling. The algo doesn't have a boss. The algo could trade any time of day. The algo is going to stick to the rules and not move the stop loss back and just give it a little bit of room to run. The algo is not going to be super greedy and chase the market. The algo is going to get out when it's supposed to. Just off of efficiency alone is going to outperform me over time. And I'm totally fine with that. I'm totally cool with that. Okay? I don't know about y'all, but I care about winning. And I'm not talking about winning every trade because I know that's not going to happen. I'm talking about being a consistently profitable winner and trader over time. See, I don't want my trading accounts to be going like this. I don't want my emotions to be going up and down like that. Like I want slow and steady into profits. Our ES trade is now over $125. One contract. And we got into this trade 7 minutes ago. How many of you all make $100 an hour? And then how many of you all make $100 in 7 minutes? And then how many of you all clicked the button and made $100 versus however hard you got to work to make that $100? Oh, by the way, the mini course is $100. And we up $125 in this trade. Okay. You see what I'm saying? We just stick to the math over here. Okay? SGP. Do you get $30 in additional to the amount you use to enter the trade? I'm not sure what you're talking about, but I've had Robinhood for a long time. So if you're talking about like if they offered you like a bonus cash or something like that, they didn't offer me any of that. So I don't know. But other than that, I'm not really sure what the question is. Okay, Shay, I closed out at 11% around the VWAP. I'll take all my wins. Congratulations, Shay. 11% return on her investment. She also won the first Trade Club live trade the other day. 11%. She's probably in that trade 5 minutes. This happens in real life, everybody. So if you're new to me, maybe you just joined the Discord or you found some marketing materials or a friend told you, we do this in real life. Okay? And I know it's like, man, this sounds so simple. He making it look so easy. He making it sound so easy. If it's this easy for him, then why everybody else struggling? Or why I don't really know him? Or why I don't know he exists? Because I'm totally fine with you not knowing me exists. So I'm still gonna get paid. My algo's still gonna run whether you know me or not. Okay? That's not being popular and being famous, I don't give a shit about that at all. Okay? What I care about is being profitable, being a good person, having good character, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. I just so happen to have a course. I don't have to sell you anything to make money. I'm literally proving this to you right now in real life. A lot of these people you may come across on the internet, the only way they make money is selling you a dream and selling you a course that they can do half of the stuff that they cannot do. Okay? It's different over here. Okay? This is the real thing. And I'm showing you professional strategies. And you making money in the markets ain't taking no money away from me. I want you to win. I want you to eat. The more money y'all make, the more I brag on you. I want you to win. I'm giving you mathematical, data-driven, proven, real professional strategies. I'm not gatekeeping. I'm not mad that you making money. Like I want you to win. I'm rooting for all of y'all. Okay? You making bread ain't taking no bread away from me. SGP says, I'm signing up for the $100 mini course. Congratulations. When you do, welcome to the family. Valerie said, is it $100 once or every month? The mini course, if you just buy the mini course, is one payment of $100. If you want to subscribe to Trade Club and watch me trade live like this a couple of times a week, that's $100 a month. And if you sign up for Trade Club, it comes with the mini course. So you can do Trade Club for $100 a month. You get the course plus all the other stuff and the live streams with me like this. If you only do the mini course, you get the mini course in the Discord, but you don't get these live streams. Okay, Valerie? Hopefully that makes sense. Option just hit 10%. Okay. Omar says, what is included into the mini course for Trade Club? So yeah, the mini course, if you just buy the mini course, it's the mini course and the Discord. That's it. If you buy Trade Club, if you subscribe to Trade Club, which is a monthly fee, you get the Trade Club live streams, you get the news bot, you get the mini course, and you get the Discord. Okay? So hopefully that is clear. The option is up 12%. SGP say, I like your teaching style. Real. Yep. It's real life. It's real money. Real, if you do the trade like the pros, it's real evaluations, real prop firms, real payouts. No hiding. Everything is right in front of you. I teach you the strategy. I give you the math. You either want it or you don't. You like it or you don't. You with it or you don't. You know what I'm saying? And I genuinely care. I genuinely want y'all to win. I'm from the South Side of Chicago. I'm from a single parent home. I don't have a college degree. Like all of the odds were stacked up against me that I shouldn't be doing what I'm doing, blah, 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 blah. All of the accolades that I've achieved, super grateful. But it was determination and it was work ethic. And so when I seen that I had an opportunity to give back and serve and teach people what I learned, because I had the opportunity to get taught by professionals, institutional real traders. I worked at a hedge fund because I had the opportunity to see that in real life and I knew we were not getting it. I was like, yo, we really gotta show this to people. And that's why I created the course. Okay? All right. Wit said, what trading platform will the options also work on? So my algos will work on interactive brokers. I will show these things on the screen in real time. What you choose to execute them on is up to you. Now, these algos that I'm getting created, I'm not saying I'm releasing them to y'all. For the stock trading and the option trading, I want to be clear. I'm not saying that I'm releasing the automated algos to y'all yet. I'm just getting them created to show y'all publicly. Because y'all don't really never get to see none of my hedge fund stuff. Like, y'all have to remember I'm licensed. I can't really show y'all to do a lot of shit because I'm not putting my client stuff in jeopardy. I'm not putting my license in jeopardy, and I ain't going to jail for nobody. So I have to be cautious of what I can and do show y'all as far as my professional stuff. But like teaching y'all the professional strategies, like I can do that. Showing y'all the algos that I know can work for y'all and the algos I give y'all, like those real life cook, which is very proven from all the people making all the money. The option just hit 15%, right? So these ones that I'm getting created to trade in front of y'all automatically is because I don't want to just be up here sitting here manually trading. Like I just don't want to do that. So I'm getting these traded to trade in front of y'all for me. I didn't necessarily say I'm doing it for y'all. Eventually, I'll probably scale those to, you know, sell or something like that. But no, like, I mean, y'all, if you've been around me for a while, y'all, well, some of y'all been around me for 5 years plus. Y'all seen me human trade and make hundreds of thousands of dollars right in front of y'all. I mean, some live sessions a couple years ago, y'all see me make $100,000 in 20 minutes. Y'all see me make $50,000 in 15 minutes. So Tiffany and Jeff and all my OGs that are in the chat, they didn't see me do this in real life manually every day in front of them for years, right? And then even the auto algos, y'all see them print every day, you know, in the Trade Like the Pro stuff and all of that. I focus on efficiency. You know what I'm saying? And like as a human, I'm talking to y'all. We haven't missed no signals today. We missed that one signal on the SPY, that first one, but then we caught the second one, right? And I'm just doing these 4 right now. That's the other thing. A human can only do so much. When my automated algos go, we're gonna have a whole watch list. So we could trade Apple, Nvidia, Google, blah, blah, blah. And we could just have the algos generate the signals and we could trade them, you know, simultaneously. As a human, I can only trade so many of these at one time efficiently, right? And then I got to keep going back and forth and blah, 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 blah. Like, that's not necessarily as engaging and stuff like that, right? So yes, if you wanted to go in here right now and buy the SPY, well, you just missed it and hit it and now it bounced up already, right? But human Dion missed that trade and that trade is already profitable. You see what I'm saying? Whereas the algo would have caught that trade. Okay, boom, it just hit it again. So if you want to come in here, now we're in the long on the future, we just missed it again. If it hits 599.66 again, always protect the bag. Set a defined profit target. If it hits it again, we can buy. Right? We're already in the buy in the future. Bitcoin just went profitable again. And you can see we've been in the same trade with the Bitcoin since 9:30. They really want the bears really trying to push that down. The bulls really trying to push it up. But right now the probabilities and the stats are on the bear side. So if and when this starts to fall, it might be a nice fall. We might ride that ride. Okay? All right, we missed that trade. Let's see if we can get in the ES when it comes. But again, that's human Dion limitations, right? I can only trade so many things at once as a human. Okay? All right. Let me keep answering these questions. iPhone said, do you trade options and futures in Trade Club? In Trade Club, I'm going to be trading stocks, bonds, options, futures, and Forex and crypto. All of them with the same strategy. Exactly what I'm doing with you right now. We in a crypto trade right here, trading Bitcoin. We in a futures trade. Look, right now, here's our joint. Right now, we're in a Forex futures trade right here. We're trading the 6E. We're buying it. We're up $900. We're in an IEF, which is a bond stock ETF, 32. Gold ETF, we're down $9. That's a stock. Bitcoin is crypto, and this is a futures, right? We're up unrealized $700 net, right? We're gonna be trading them all right in front of you, just like this. Jeff said you're choppy, coming in and out and broken. Okay. Hopefully that got fixed since you typed that. Because I'm not really doing anything but the same thing. So hopefully that fixed for you, Jeff. Godwin said, which other program would you recommend for a total beginner? All of the programs are set for if you're for a beginner or never traded. So either one, whichever one you want. Me personally, I'm an overachiever. I would do Trade Club and Trade Like the Pros because I would want to get as much live trading with me and ask as many questions as possible. And I would like to learn. That's me, right? If you want to put your toe in there, Trade Club is $100 a month. The mini course is one time $100. If you want to learn how to trade and not risk any of your own money, see, that's one of the other benefits about Trade Like the Pros. I teach you how to trade with your money, but I also teach you how to trade with other people's money, so you can take these same strategies and never have to risk any of your own money. See that? Super powerful. Okay? So it's levels, right? It's levels. What does Wall Street do? Do you think Wall Street trades their own money? I run a hedge fund. Do you think I trade my own money? No. Wall Street, we trade other people's money and we get rich off of their money and we split the profits. Trade Like the Pros, I teach you how to do the same thing. Okay? Whit said that's crazy. She's talking about the algos. I got you. Yes, we don't want you in jail. Yeah, no. Never. SGP, when I sign up for the monthly subscription, there's someone to answer questions as newbies needed. You can ask questions in the Discord, and Athena and or myself are always around. The courses are pretty straightforward for sure, and then you can ask questions like this in the live streams. Okay? Roxanne said, would you ever include an option algo in your algo package? I do have option algos, and they are in a package. We will re-release them soon. In the TLTP and the Trade Like the Pros, that's only futures algos. But in Trade Club, when all this stuff starts to get released, we'll have a new options algo. It'll be signals first only because TradingView doesn't allow automatic trading. And then we will release a version at some point of the automatic options algo at some point. All right, Bitcoin just went profitable again. All right. The option trade is up 17%. Okay. Trade John. For Maverick, you say it trades signal to signal and you can only set your risk. Does this mean it takes profit soon as one of the multi-chart signals unaligned with the rest? Yeah, signal to signal. So if it's in profit and an opposite signal comes in, it closes that current trade out. Okay. Roxanne, any for the Black Friday sale? Any for the Black Friday sale? I'm assuming you doubling down on the algo question. The Trade Like the Pros algo bundle is in the Black Friday sale, but yeah, no option algos are in the Black Friday sale because I haven't released it yet. So I did have an older one. It was in the Hint Plus package. I'm personally not selling the Hint Plus package anymore. But when I release this next TradingView bundle, the option signals will be in there. Okay? When they will be released? Somewhere in the next 30 to 60 days. Ideally. Okay? But yeah, listen, I know Black Friday sounds like or Cyber Monday, December 2nd. I started this sale on December 1st, so I know you felt like you got a long time. But December 2nd is Monday. And that sale will be over. And no, I'm not playing. So I would probably take advantage of it if I was y'all. Cause the shit really works. Y'all see it right now in real life with real money. So yeah. And then I'm actually here. I actually show up for y'all. We actually are on time. We're actually professional. We actually answer questions. We actually fix problems when they arise because everything is, everything. So you just take it for what it is. Like we actually answer questions. I actually show up for these calls. I've been doing it for years. You know what I'm saying? You want it? Cool. You don't? Cool. You know what I'm saying? If I want it and it's on sale, I would probably hop in on the sale. If I want it and I want to see if it's real, maybe I'll try it for the $100. Once I see that it's real and I try it for the $100 and that sale ends, I might be a little salty. In Trade Club, I'm gonna trade live at least twice a week. I'll do at least twice a week. But the news network and all that shit is gonna be live every day. Like we got some fire stuff for y'all. So think like Bloomberg for the culture. Think CNBC for the culture. It's a full-blown news network vibe. That's why I'm setting it up like that. So let me see. So yeah, like these tabs that y'all seeing. So this is the live TV tab. So this is what it's gonna look like when I'm trading live. But when you click on markets, it's gonna be like full-blown media and news articles about the markets. Then we're gonna have financial experts, interviews, we're gonna have content like this joint. Yeah, I got some big plans for this one. So it's gonna be very nice. And then obviously the courses will be built into there. So people can, subscribe to the courses right from there, et cetera, et cetera. But yeah, this joint gonna be.
What are you referencing right now, Dion?
This is the new Trade Club website, so tradeclub.com. This is gonna be a full-blown financial news and live trading network show website. So think CNBC for the culture. Think Bloomberg for the culture. The option is up 22%, by the way. Go ahead. Someone about to say something.
Yeah, is this website like up and live now for us?
Yeah, you can go to tradeclub.com right now. It's live. Now,
Oh, okay.
for some reason, the stream, like this live, you see this live stream is live. It's been live for an hour. But we're in there testing some stuff and they're trying to fix some stuff. It's live on YouTube right now, but I think it's on a private YouTube. But this is live right now. It's just that they're trying to fix the stream because it's gonna be multi-streaming. It's gonna be streaming live on the website, live on the YouTube channel, live on the Facebook channel, all at the same time. So what you're looking at right now is when Trade Club, we'll get these kinks out over the next couple of days. And ideally by Monday, so when you sign up for Trade Club, you'll have your login and your access. So on days that I go live, there will be no more Zoom links and Google links. You're just gonna go to tradeclub.com, sign in, and boom, you're gonna be able to watch this. And we'll have the live chat in there as well. So yeah, this is gonna be fire. And then we're gonna have all the other stuff too, like the markets, the articles, the financial experts, interviews, and all of that. So that's why I say, y'all, I literally do this shit like for us, And I do it from a way of like, when I was at this part of my financial journey, what do I wish I would have had? You know what I'm saying? Like, I wish I had a mentor like me. I wish somebody in my family would have been exposed to these markets and exposed me to these markets when I was a shorty. My cousin, so our youngest student in Trade Like the Pros is 21. Our oldest student in Trade Like the Pros is 85. My little cousin, Cassidy, she's 21, and she gets payouts consistently. But she been on my heels since she was like 16, right? And at 18, she finally got in the game, and now she's a consistently profitable trader. But I'm her older cousin, and I exposed this to her when she was 14, 15, 16, and she been on my heels for years, and now this all she do. She's 21 and she a full-time trader, just living in Chicago, chilling with the fam. 21, full-time trader. I wish, oh my God. But y'all might not have ever met me, because I'm so low-key, I would have went and just fucking bought an island or somewhere and just been chilling, you know what I'm saying? So, like, I literally battle and struggle with doing stuff online and posting stuff online because I actually don't care whether you see what I do in real life or not, because I actually live this. Like, I flew to Phuket, Thailand last week, rented a stupid big mansion, rented a yacht for a day and all that, like, in real life. And I posted one picture. Like, because I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wanted to go. I booked a flight on Thursday. I flew in on Friday. Like, that was it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that was it. You know? Next week, I'm going to Dubai and Abu Dhabi for a financial conference. I might not post one picture, but I promise you, I'm going to have a good time. You know what I'm saying? Like, I promise you, I'm going to live. But it's also just going to be a regular Thursday for me. Like, I might go to the F1 race, I might not. Right? The F1 race is in Abu Dhabi next weekend. If I want to go, I'll go. If I want to just chill, I'll chill. Like, you know, I wanted residency in Dubai, so I got it. I wanted to own a company in Dubai, so I started a company in Dubai. I own a company in Dubai. I own, you know, advisory 2 companies in Singapore, not Singapore, Seoul, South Korea. Like, I wanted a diversified portfolio. I made it happen. Like, I wanted places all around the world. You know, my headquarters and my main stuff is in Miami, Florida. I got Dubai as the Middle East, and I got Bangkok for Asia. Because that's what I wanted to do. And I literally started my first live trading account with $1,500. If I can do it, you can do it. Right? So yeah. Like I said, I battle with being more public online because I know it'll inspire more people and I know I can help more people. But it's also just how I was raised, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm from South Side Chicago. You don't want to be too brag or too boast because you put a target on your back. Because if you eating and they not, they coming for you. I need that. Let me get that. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, you bragging, you boasting? Cool. We're going to humble you a little bit, right? And in Chicago, that could literally cost you your life. And I wasn't on that. You know what I'm saying? So it's also just how I was raised. The time, the generation that I was raised, like, I don't need to be flashy and be in front of you to prove that I got bread. And I've been around real wealth. Real wealth is quiet, everybody. I got 5 billionaires in my phone right now. I can call and text. You would walk past all 5 of these people and you would not think enough. You wouldn't think twice. And I promise you, they got that bag. True wealth, people don't even want you to know that they got the bread. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I kind of be conflicted, because I'm like, I got to show a glimpse of it so that people can see it and know it's real. and be inspired by it and be encouraged by it versus I don't really want to in my business. You know what I'm saying? Like, so that's what I'll be battling with going back and forth. The option is up 21%. You know, so like, I don't know. You know, I've been flying private since 2015. You know what I'm saying? I might have posted 3 times. I've been on every type of PJ that you could probably think of. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes with friends, a lot of times on my own. You know what I'm saying? I took most of my family on their first PJ. My daughter Dawson went on her first PJ when she was 6 months. Right? So I've been doing this for a long time. I don't gotta put it in your face because that's just not what I care about. You know what I'm saying? But from a business standpoint, I do understand it'll help more people. I do understand some people are doubters or they need to see more. You know what I'm saying? So I'd be battling with that. I'd be conflicted with it. You know? I'd be really trying to find a way like how can I just do it without doing it. So I think also that's where Trade Club, the actual website, will help because it's a lower ticket product. Everybody can kind of see it. If you ain't got $100 to invest in it or try it, I don't want you in there anyway. And then, you know, all right, Bitcoin is going against us. We might lose this trade, but again, we're only risking that 1%. So totally fine with that. If we lose, cool. If we don't, cool. It is what it is. We up in the option trade. Okay. And this show right here, this live stream that I'm doing today for free for everybody, this is really just a test show because we still testing and trying to get out the kinks. The goal was I was going to try to have this as the first test live stream. That's what I was trying to do today. But we still a little bit off. Right? So like, see, it's froze right now. You know? Excuse me. Yeah. So, you know, we ironed out some kinks and stuff like that. But like, yo, y'all see, I do this in real life. Like, my team built this. I had the idea, I had the vision, and my team is bringing it to life right in front of y'all eyes. You know what I'm saying? So also, you can see somebody that's actually doing this and actually running these businesses in real life. Because there's a lot of entrepreneurs on social media, and you be like, where's the results? I hear you saying you doing X, Y, Z, but like, I don't see it. You know what I'm saying? So like, you're literally seeing it. I literally practice what I preach. I do exactly what I say I'm gonna do. Sometimes it wins, sometimes it don't. I show y'all the wins, I show y'all the L's. It's life. You know? Okay? Whit says the website looks cool. Thank you. Shay says, nice. Glad I signed up. Congrats, Shay. Excited to teach my kids. Thanks for the exposure. Glad I came across you and better on myself. Looking forward to changing the trajectory of my family future with this information. And that's really, truly what it's all about. Like, some of y'all might have been today years old when y'all found out about me. Sometimes you might have been today years old when you found out about this strategy. The option is up 38%. We just hit $100. I don't know what you do for your regular job. I don't know if you make $100 an hour, but I guarantee you work harder than what I just did to make that $100 right in front of you. If I wanted, I could close this option trade right now and take my $100. 34% return on my investment. Doing the exact same strategy as I just taught you in the course. And this is free. This is a free show, by the way. This is just free game. So you could literally be making this money for free. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody paying to be in this live stream today. This is a free live stream. I'm literally doing this right in front of y'all. We up 34%. If I bought 10 contracts, I would be up $900 right now. Again, I don't know what you do for your regular job or your real job or how you make money, which is totally fine. It's okay. But I promise you, you work harder than what we're doing. I know that for a fact. Okay? And again, the expiration day ain't until next Friday. I would be open to holding it for at least 47 more hours. And I told you there's multiple data points that say that SPY is probably going to revert today. More importantly, it hit an all-time high yesterday of 600. So there's a lot of data and a lot of probabilities on my side in this trade right now that the SPY is probably going to continue to retrace. My stop loss is set. Actually, no, we hit 20%. So let's adjust the stop loss. We over 20%. So now we could go in and lock in our profits. So now we can't lose. So what do? 20%, right? We got in for 276. Let's do the math. We got in for 276. 276 times 0.2 is $55. Okay, so $55 plus 276 is 331. So now we could go in and we could set our limit order and we could edit and set it at 355, and now we cannot lose. We can't lose. We would just literally set the stop loss, lock in $355, which is a 20% return on our investment. So we get our original 276 back plus the $55. And now we can't lose. And as long as it goes profitable, we keep riding the ride. If we get stopped out, we just made $55 minimum. In, call it 30 minutes. I'll take that all day. $55, clicking the button. I could be butt naked on a beach right now and doing the same thing. As long as I got internet connection, I can do this from anywhere in the world. And I do, from anywhere in the world. Okay, and y'all see it in real life. All right? That's it, y'all. In real life. TradeClub.com, okay? TradeClub.com, it's gonna be fire. If you want to join the family, Black Friday sale is on. TradeLikeThePros.com, everybody. You know, TradeLikeThePros.com. Everything is 50% off. Everything. We got shit from $30 to $10,000. You know, you either want it or you don't. And it's really that simple. TradeClub.com is gonna be fire. Trade like the pros. Gonna be fire. We got stopped out. We lost the Bitcoin trade. Tip our cap. It is what it is. No trade on the Forex. Straight up. Okay. We up $1,100 in this trade. So we lost a stack on Bitcoin. We up 1,100 on this one. You know, diversification. All right. 14,042, up 28% on my SPY option. Now they up 34%. Oh yeah, remember, I got in late because Robinhood janked me on the first order. So y'all should be in better than me and making more money than me. Yeah, because y'all probably got in right when I was making the announcement. 34%. Hell of a job. Good job. WIT say up $400 on MVC. Congratulations, Whitney. Trey John said, can you quickly go over the start behaviors of some of the bots? I see they're starting when flat, immediately, or synchronized with other options. What is the difference? I've noticed the bots start at close of the candlestick, so I assumed immediately as soon as the EMA crosses before the candle closed. But what is the difference between synchronized? So the start behavior is explained in the course for the algo. So let's just break this down for a second. The algo is nothing but a computer program of the strategy that you learn in the course. So MVC is multi-volume chart. So it is 3 charts of volume aligned, and when the main chart gets disaligned and then realigns, it gets into a trade. Okay, it does not happen on the immediate so 2 and 3 for MVC and Maverick have to already be in alignment. And then when one crosses over and gets in alignment, then the trade is entered. Okay? So hopefully that answers your question. But yes, they have to be flat. It's not taking multiple trades. It's not taking another trade if you're already in a trade. So yes, it does have to be flat for it to happen. Okay? SGP said, oh my God, I'm so excited to learn with these visuals. Glad to hear it. Yep, in real life, SPG, in real life. Okay, Pamela says, this show is everything. Eyes wide open. Please let loose those option algos. Soon come. Soon come. Yeah, I know a lot of people made a lot of money off of our other option package, but it was just signals. But yeah. Listen, also, here's the other thing. Not only do we do this in real life, we have the tech. So yes, like a lot of people are still manually trading. I got 14 minutes. Hold on, like 15 minutes. Hold on. Okay. So yeah, we not only got the course, we not only got the live streams, but we got the real technology. Okay. Lisa says, I'm so happy I found you and Dominique on Facebook in March 2023. It's a true blessing that my life has changed forever. I'm looking forward to being free from the corporate world. Thank you, y'all, my family for life. People, do not wait. Please bet on yourself now. Thank you, Lisa. Congratulations, Lisa. I see you posted a really great and touching testimony. She's been profitable for 90 days straight in her prop firm account and got multiple payouts. Congratulations, Ms. Lisa. And she also said she get ready to join Inner Circle before the Black Friday sale ends. So looking forward to welcoming you in there. And congratulations on all the wins. Listen, and Miss Lisa was one of those doubters. She got her testimony. We got like an hour highlight of her on our YouTube channel of all the successes she's had. Miss Lisa will openly tell you she was one of them doubters that delayed and didn't bet and didn't join some of the programs. And then every time she just level up.
It is
Okay.
true. Yes, it's true. I won't do that ever again. Bet on yourself, people. Please do. This is for real. I can't thank you myself. Thank you to myself. Thank you. Thank you, Dion.
Yeah, my pleasure, my pleasure. Tosha, will the option algos work on E-Trade? The signals will be generated here in TradingView, and you can execute them wherever you want. When I release the automatic option trading algo, they'll probably be on one platform. What platform that's going to be that we choose, I don't know yet. But when we do, we'll release all the information and the how-to videos and all that stuff. Okay, we got about 12 minutes left. Feel free to ask any questions or hop up on the mic. Trey says, still not understanding. When would I use the other options is what I'm asking. You wouldn't. Everything that is defaulted in there, you need to leave at defaulted. Everything that is told in the strategies or the how-to videos that told you you can edit these and you can back test them and all yourself, that's what you do. But everything that we say leave defaulted, leave it alone because you're not sticking to what was built. So if you change any variable, you change everything. Now, you can do whatever you want, but the recommendation is that you stick to the defaults and that you alter what is allowed to be altered. Okay? And remember, everything that we telling y'all is back tested, is data driven. Anything that you want to do outside of what you back tested and figure out that worked for you is emotional. So let's just be super clear. Emotional versus data. Because you don't have any data to alter any of the default stuff. So you would literally just be guessing. I wouldn't do it. You can do whatever you want. I personally wouldn't do it. Okay? Any other questions? We got 11 minutes. Any questions, comments, or concerns, thoughts, anything, testimonies, whatever y'all want to do? We got 11 minutes. The option is doing well. The trades are doing well. We won some and we lost some. That's the other thing these people on the internet don't do. They don't show you the losses. They always win somehow, magically. They never lose a trade. They never lose a day. They never lose a week. I'm here to tell you that shit's not real. If somebody tell you they don't lose a trade, go the other way. They are lying to you. Okay? It's not about never losing. It's about risk management. 140.42 says, can you walk me through adding a stop loss again? On what platform? Because they're all different and different for different asset classes. Robinhood. That might take a little bit longer than what we have. Essentially what you're doing is you have your option, okay? And so what you are doing is you're identifying what amount you are up, and you're doing the math of how much you want to lock in, and you can set it up to sell to close. You can set it up to, okay. So we bought to open the trade. We bought a put. Sell to close is you can set it up to sell to close, but what you could do is you could set your limit price away and under the amount. So if it's at 365, and let's say you wanted to lock it in, 15 to 20% of that, you could set it under to, let's call it, 330, and then you would submit that, okay? And then that would set your stop loss. So you got at least that 330 that's locked in. So as it continues to go, you can come in here manually and periodically update that. But if it turns around and it comes back down and it hits that 330, then it will exit you out the trade. Okay? That's the short and simple way for it. So hopefully you can understand that. Okay. Valerie said, how long does it sell for? Till Monday. Monday night at midnight, it's over. It's been live all month. November 1st, we launched the Black Friday sale. Everything has been 50% off all month. And I know it's gonna be a bunch of y'all on Monday at 11:58 talking about, oh, it never fails. Okay? Listen, if you got it and you could afford it, or maybe you get paid on Friday or something like that, don't try to wait to the last minute, okay? Please, for me, for my team, for our sanity, okay? Just go ahead and sign up. If you got it, sign up, okay? Please. 11:58 p.m. on Monday night, I'm not answering no Discord messages, okay? I'm gonna probably be asleep, okay? But I know y'all be in my Discord with the story. Hey, life be life in Dion, and I was trying to consider, I was weighing you versus the bop, 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 bop. And then, God told me you was the one. And I just had to go ahead and believe and take this step of faith. And I know I only got 62 seconds left, But if you could find it in your heart.
Yeah, you funny, man.
But if you can find it in your heart to extend your trade, your Black Friday sale for just 62 more seconds, I can get in there. Instead of just going to the website and signing up. www.tradelikethepros.com. It's right there, y'all. It's live right now, all day, every day, 24 hours. The sale is live between now and Monday at midnight when Cyber Monday is over. Okay, I promise you. I would love for you to not wait to the last minute. Okay, my team and I, the tech systems and all the stuff. Well, thank you for not trying to rush. And then those be the same people the day after the sale is over. Hey, I signed up last night at 11:59. I still ain't got access. We was asleep. Okay? Some stuff is automatic, and some things that people still got to do. Some things humans still got to do. But I guess what? We're up right now. So if you sign up, we can take care of anything you need. Right? Pamela said the bop gets me every time. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, y'all, work with me now. Y'all wouldn't do half this stuff with Louis Vuitton and Gucci and Balenciaga, and y'all don't walk in Gucci asking for no discount. Y'all don't walk in at 11:59 at Balenciaga talking about God told me. You know what I'm saying? But let little Jamal come on over here and mess something up. Y'all will be the first ones on the internet. I tried to give black people a chance. Oh man, y'all are something else. You know that? Y'all are something else. Does trade come with Inner Circle? I'm assuming you're asking about the trade journal. Inner Circle has a special trade journal or money journal, Dr. Connor. So yes, a specialized version of that does come with Inner Circle. Yeah. Tiffany's about to stop talking about me. 11:59. Dion, you know, I've been a part of all your programs for the last 5 years, and I just had to contemplate, was I gonna take this one because I've been trying to tell my family every Thanksgiving about you, and you know. Hi Dion. Should we lock in the price for future monthly trade club access? You could do that. You can get the $100 price now and then start it later when you want. But do know it's $100 a month. So if you sign up today, next month on December 27th, you have to pay $100 in. Okay. The voice change is hilarious. Shay, why is this man so funny? Oh my God. Yeah, because y'all know I ain't doing nothing but speaking the truth. I ain't doing nothing but talking directly to you. You already know. You know what I'm saying? No, I was praying and asking God about if I wanted to become a trader and investor because I'm really interested. And I came across your marketing and your ads, and it was so timely. It was just like, God sent you to me for me. And you have changed my life. I love those stories because it'd be real. You know what I'm saying? God plus that algorithm will drop me right in front of you when you need some real shit in your life. God will say, it's time for the real. Here's Dion. Oh my God. Hey, I be trying to read them long DMs in y'all voices. If I heard y'all voice before. Dion, first I just want to say thank you for all you do. And I just want you to know that you were talking to me in the back of the room about the people who be waiting to the last minute to do everything. And I promised that I was going to change. And so now I want this course to be my first change. I'm going to sign up today on Wednesday instead of next Monday at the last minute. Hey, cause I read every Discord. I read every message. Oh my God, I got real tears right now. All right, y'all, it's 11 o'clock. Oh my God, I needed that laugh. Okay. Oh, I needed that laugh. This is too funny. Okay. All truth. Oh my God. David said, I was asking, do you get Trade Club with Inner Circle? Yes. When you sign up for Inner Circle, you get Trade Club free for 6 months. Oh my gosh. Okay. Whew, I needed that. Why all the voices gotta be females? Cause dudes, they either doing it or they ain't. For real, for real. Like it's like dudes very like they either gonna cut the check or they not. Like they ain't not really gonna send me the 6-page letter. All right. Happy Thanksgiving, Indigenous Day, whatever. It's a whole bunch of holidays. Okay. Love, light, peace, wealth, great health and abundance to you guys. Good show. We made some money. Y'all learned some stuff. Trade Club is available. Trade Like the Pros is available. Inner Circle is available. Please don't wait to the last minute. Okay. Love y'all. And Trade Like the Pros. Special Black Friday live trading session. Let's get some money on Black Friday. Okay. I'll see y'all. I'm gonna read y'all DMs in your voice. Okay. All right. Peace.